Septalk is here with 40 practical, useful verbs that you have to know them even if you are in A1 level of French language. So, listen to them, maybe you write them down, repeat it for yourself, and practice it later. Here we go. I began with the 7 most important ones, which you can see them almost in any French sentence. Être, to be. Avoir, to have. Aller, to go. Faire, to make. Pouvoir, to be able to. Can. Vouloir, to want. Devoir, to have to or must. What about some daily actions? Do you know the verbs in French? Well, here they are. Manger, to eat. Boire, to drink. Dormir, to sleep. Laver, to wash. Jouer, to play. Dire, to say. Parler, to talk, to speak. Écouter, to listen. Voir, to see. Marcher, to walk. Porter, to wear. Now listen to another list of daily actions that you always do. Travailleur, to work. Chercheur, to search. Lire, to read. Écrire, to write. Appeler, to call. Venir, to come. Donner, to give. Apprendre, to learn. Prendre, to take. Ouvrir, to open. Fermer, to close. Commencer, to start. Finir, to finish. Listen to the final lists of today, which are about the verbs that are a little bit more abstract. Penser, to think. Savoir, to know. Regarder, to watch. Sentir, to feel. Arrêter, to stop. Oublier, to forget. Vivre, to live. Aimer, to like, to love. And mourir, to die. Merci beaucoup pour avoir regardé cette vidéo. Thanks a lot for sticking up to this video. I hope you like it. You can ask me any question you have in the comments, and please subscribe to the channel of Septalk and turn on the notification